Alright guys, this is the project we're working on. It's a 2017 Subaru Wrx. As you can see, it's had some side damage. Mostly it's a quarter panel and a little bit of suspension work. The wheel was turned a little sideways, as you could tell from the wheel. It's got a little damage right there. Right there's damage. Colors pretty spot on. Perfect. Looks perfect. There's a plug right there, so I won't do that, but opens and closes. Lines perfect up here. Little repair down there and it's good to go. New rims we got for it. Okay guys, so I think this is going to be it for now. Follow along as we get this Wrx back to driving conditions and then make some more fun videos after that. Thanks for watching guys.